Right folks, so we have the Audioline 345 I've been sorting out over the last couple of days. Couple of faults, deaf as a post because of a receiver protection diode, usual pile of capacitors, no transmitted audio, and 1.7 watts output, which is now 4. Rebuilt the power supply. We're running this on its own power supply. We're running it on our standard replacement mic, and at the end when we go throughout our base station it's been supplied by the customer with a standard replacement mic, and it should be pretty similar sounding to mine, but we will try it at the end to that microphone as well. So I haven't heard anybody on it today. Hopefully we're on the aerial. If we weren't, that would be why we didn't hear anybody on it. Sorry about that, I was on the wrong channel.
Roger.
So it looks like Mr. Chippie's in the car. I'm ready when you are.
Yep, roger that. Just bear with me.
And we'll plug our extension speaker in so that it sounds the same. Like that.
House and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards
Bass
the
here,
end of it.
treble here,
Passing in place.
bass here,
Doggy daycare, which I doubt is in use.
treble here. Roger on that, no problem.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the line.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we were nearly square wheeled at Doncaster Crossroads, but now we're going through it.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
I'm on an Audioline PT345 base station from 1981, which is the same as the Uniden 300 base station. It's full forward output. I'm on the standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys. No, not passing the Grayleys turn, we're passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, you're in front of yourself.
Roger that. Well, it's been so long since I did one, I've forgotten all that.
Yeah, taking a weekend up, I don't know.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Audioline 345 from 1981 on a standard replacement mic, doing 4 watts. Base station, so I can't tell you the power consumption, but when we had it on the bench it was 1.01 amps for 4 watts. So we are now going to go to low power. It's been set for 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on 400 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to full power, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems on either.
Great, I think you're when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got this.
Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9 and 146.7.
Excellent, that works in 3, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9 and 146.7.
That's excellent, that works a treat, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Right, you can't ask for any more. These are never as sensitive as Cybernet sets, but this was about this was unusual. It was 0.65 microvolts, which is really as good as you're ever going to get. They're normally around about 0.95 microvolts. So there we go. That works very nicely. The customer will be really chuffed, and it's back in the land of the living from being a long time not working. So we're going to go through to our Midland 76900 base station, and we'll see what it sounds like on that mic, and then I'll swap it for the customer's own standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the audio line 345 into our Midland 76900 base station using our standard replacement mic. We're on high power, 4 watts. This is a hum test, shouldn't be a hum because the power supply has been rebuilt. We're going to go to low power. If there was a hum, it should diminish on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and back to full power. So we're now going to do the same with the customer's mic. And testing with the customer's standard replacement mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power for the same reason. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and then back to full power. I think the next radio will be an Intec M160 or M60 or something like that. I think that's what we've got next. So thanks for watching the Audioline PT345 Uniden base station, in other words, from 1981.